from Pope's been playing extremely well lately. That's why she's been inserted in the starting lineup the last 4 games. But Oklahoma State going to have to compete hard.
That bitch Brittany Grinder. That's a big bitch. I wouldn't fuck with her.
Baylor with the first possession.
I'm only 6'2".
Griner, 3 collapsed on her.
Cool it, mother.
Easy lay-in after the secondary pass.
Well, Baylor has
already, they motherfuckers school.
Around Brittany Griner during
these motherfuckers not human.
3.5 years, and they know how to pass the ball and be patient to find the open player.
This is a great matchup at the point. Tiffany Bias and Odyssey
Sims. They can't even do shit with the ball.
She says she loves the challenge of playing defense.
Yeah, you ain't shooting no Brittany Grinder. Look at that. Air ball.
By Young. Heading the other way, Madden gets it back. This is Sims.
So zone look for Oklahoma State. They've run a lot of jump.
Give it to that big bitch, don't Grinder.
The skip pass.
You don't make it without Grinder, I'm telling you that.
Shit.
Tiffany Bias loves to
she the size, well, she's not the size of LeBron, but she tall like LeBron. 6'8".
Last year she had a tremendous game against Angel Goodrich of Kansas.
You ain't shooting no that hoe. She look like a man too. She could be a man.
There's the steal off the errant pass. Hayden got the steal.
They don't need Grinder. They don't need Grinder.
Pope gets so many opportunity baskets. We saw early the double, the triple team on Brittany Griner leads to a lot of open shots for her around the basket. When she gets a chance to get out in transition, she's going to push because
she almost taller than my
ass.
Good
at taking advantage of her opportunities.
Out of Fort Worth, Texas, Dunbar High School, and the transfer from Rutgers. Essentially playing her first full season of college basketball because she sat as a freshman with Rutgers and then sat with the one transfer year. And now Pope at the line, makes it corner.
I want Brittany blocks that man. Grinder. Oh, look like a grinder. I just kidding. And give it a grinder, man. I ain't shit without grinder anyway. Got a good ass point guard.
Oklahoma State in their loss to Texas Tech the other night, they were up.
Stop fucking shooting the fucking ball. Give it the Grinder. Give it the Grinder. There we go. Big bitch Grinder. Hold you. That's a big bitch. You were gonna get one.